Hey guys, what's up, guys? Once again, I'm out with another video on how you can make money online. I just came up with this site and I decided to do some reviews to find out whether the site is legit or not. So, what I did is, I actually did not withdraw, but then I decided to use my earning to promote my YouTube videos on various social medias and stuff, and I can see it's working. But then aside that, I went ahead to look at some review whether they pay or not and stuff, and then I can tell you this site is 100% legit. You can make money. All you have to do is spend some time a day to perform some tasks, or if you want your earning to increase, if you want to withdraw, let's say every week or every 2 days, you just have to invest something small. If you are someone who just want to earn, you don't want to invest in anything, then you can stay to this side, just perform the tasks that they want you to do a day, and then you earn. You can withdraw every week through PayPal or any other payment system that you are aware of. So guys, before I start everything, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I'll give you more info. I want to do all the work for you understand. I know how very difficult it is to come out with just sites that pay you for your activities online. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and let me do all the work for you. So let's get started. So the site here for today is what we call Eve. Yes, if this is the site I'm going to talk about. So let me first log out of my account. Let me first log out. So this is how the site looks like when you sign out first. This is how it looks like. So you can do it on your mobile phone, your laptop, or your tablet, or any other device. So you can get the Chrome extension if you want. So yes, so first, what does it do? How does it work? So first, you log in, you complete tasks, earn money, create campaigns, receive engagement. So that's it. You log in, you create tasks, you earn money, you create campaigns. Maybe you want to increase your followers on Instagram, you want to increase your followers on Facebook, on Twitter, you want to get more views on WhatsApp, you want to get more views on YouTube, you want to get more likes on your YouTube videos and stuff. This site is 100% real and I recommend it to you. So aside you performing all the tasks, you can withdraw your money as well. So that's it. So Instagram followers, Facebook followers, Instagram likes and Twitter comments, other things, a whole lot of it that you can do from this site. So let's go to the review. So this is the review, and then the review, you can see excellent. They have excellent review over here. That's out of 1241 people review this site, and they have 4.8 stars. Out of the 5-star, they have 4.8. So I tell you, this site is real and you earn money from this site. So excellent, 88%, great, 7%, average, poor. So you can see, and this is what someone wrote. Excellent network terms, receive my first payment, $10. Then this is 100% legit site, very good place from eating and increasing your followers. You see, I tell you, this site is raw and this site is actually paying great things. Thank you very much, network, a whole lot. So you can see this site is raw, 100% legit. So now let's go back to the site. So you click on your, you actually have to log in with your Google account. So I log in with this. Yes, so you can see action performed today 3. Then there are more actions. So once you log in to your account, here are the membership. I'm a free member, but I'm earning. But these are membership levels. If you want to increase maybe your earning from 0.20 to this, then you just have to go for this membership. If you want to earn as a free member too, you can. So these are the various membership that they have here, but as well you are a free member, you can earn. So what do you do after that? You just go to, when you log into your account, you go to tax categories. So when you go to tax, think one. So yes, these are the tax you perform and then you earn. So maybe YouTube, you just have to view on YouTube. So you go to YouTube and then you click view, and then it brings you to YouTube. And you just have to wait. 30 seconds for the video to load. So let's for the purpose of time. Okay, let's wait for 30 seconds so that I show you how the earning goes.
До нитки від брехні, і там, де жила любов, здавалось би щира любов, тепер живе гнів.
Okay, so now the 30 seconds is up. So all you have to do is close the video, and then you get your earning. And that's it. Then you click next. Very simple. So all you have to do is click on the tax menu here, and then you get the various tax, or you have to perform the taxes to end. So as you perform the tax, if you want to withdraw, you just go to withdraw funds and then you withdraw. I decided to use mine for promotion of my YouTube videos. So yeah, let's go to my campaign so that you know what I'm talking about. So here's it. Action performed 19. I've actually got 19 views to my YouTube channel. About 19 people have viewed my channel, and a day I've set my target that at least a day 10 people should view my YouTube account. So here's it. It's 100% raw. If you want to withdraw, you have to set your account. So let's just move to yeah. So here's this is the total ending for the month. Total ending. So it's real, guys. I'll leave a link below so that you just go click on the link and then use the link to register so that you earn from this site. So if you want to, let's say the withdrawal methods as they have affiliate as well. So you just go here and then you know what to do. So guys, thank you very much. So if you want to add funds, you just go to add funds, and then here are the various methods that you can use to add funds to your account. And you can see minimum deposit amount is $1, and your minimum withdrawal is 10. For PayPal, Pay, and other methods. It's 7. You'll be charged 7% for that. So guys, so this is what I want to talk about today. So don't worry, there are so many methods that you can withdraw from. So for the purpose of time, thank you for watching this video, and I think if you find this video very helpful, just subscribe to my YouTube channel so that anytime I drop a video, you watch and then know what I'm talking about. So guys, thank you very much for your time, and I hope this video is helpful to you. Subscribe to my channel once again. Thank you.